In this video, I'll show you how to change your contact information in Microsoft Teams. Keeping your contact details up to date makes it easier for coworkers and teammates to reach you, especially in a busy work or school environment. Let's go through the steps to see what you can update and where those changes are managed. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Once Teams is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or initials. From the menu, select View Profile. This will open your profile card, where you can see your basic information, such as your name, job title, and contact details. Now, it's important to know that most contact information in Microsoft Teams is synced from Microsoft 365 or your organization's directory, such as Azure Active Directory. Because of this, you may not be able to edit all fields directly in Teams. If you see an Edit Profile or Edit Contact Information option, click it and update the details that are available, such as your profile photo or preferred name. Be sure to save your changes when you're done. If you don't see an edit option for details like your phone number, job title, or department, these usually need to be updated through Microsoft 365 or LinkedIn. To do this, click the LinkedIn option, then select See Profile on LinkedIn. This will open your LinkedIn profile in a new tab. Click the pencil icon to edit your profile, scroll down, and find Edit Contact Info. Click it, then update the contact details you want to change and save your updates. In some organizations, only IT administrators are allowed to modify certain information. If that's the case, you may need to contact your IT or admin team and ask them to update your details for you. Once the changes are made, they will automatically sync back to Microsoft Teams. This may take a little time, so don't worry if you don't see the updates right away. And that's it. You now know how to change and manage your contact information in Microsoft Teams. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.